This message goes to every Pakistani and Filipina who are watching this. If one of the other party hurt you or took advantage of you, but it means of hurting your feelings, took some money from you, or abuse you, is revenge the ultimate way to get back on that person? I don't think so. You know, the sweetest revenge that you could take is to move on and let the person go without harming yourself, without harming others. We've seen a lot of news in the social media that one Pakistani guy killed the Filipina because of that cheating issue. But don't be the same person as they are. They may have the reasons, but you are in your sanity. Use your mind, use your brain to conclusion that uh this person comes into your life for a reason. So revenge, don't take any revenge